Hey everyone, in this video we're taking a look at the RAM mounts Universal Electronics plate with 1.5-inch ball. This is the RAM-111B. This uses the RAM mounts 1.5-inch C-size ball, so this is compatible with other 1.5-inch C-size ball components. The plate itself is made out of black powder-coated marine-grade aluminum. It measures 6.25 inches by 2 inches, and you can see that it has a variety of hole patterns on it. So usually this plate is going to be used to attach to the base or to the bracket of an electronic device, and it's often going to be used in a marine environment. Not always, it doesn't have to be, but it usually is. So often these hole patterns are going to line up with the hole patterns found on the brackets for marine radios, fish finders, chart plotters, devices of that nature. We have some different hole patterns on the plate. This rectangle right here in the middle is the amps hole pattern, but I will post a technical drawing so that you can see the dimensions of the hole patterns on this plate and see if it'll work with your particular marine device. But often what it's going to be used for is you can take the bracket. This is from a Garmin fish finder. You would line it up with the hole pattern on the plate. You can bolt one onto the other and then get your GPS or whatever device you have onto a RAM mount. Keep in mind, though, that this plate does not come with hardware, so whatever you're going to attach to it, you will have to supply your own. Typically, the weight limit for the C-size ball is 10 pounds. If it's going in a marine environment and there are other factors to consider, I would recommend reducing that limit to maybe even 7 or 8 pounds. But if you are mounting something significantly lighter, say 4, 5 pounds or less, then you can actually use the same plate with a 1-inch ball instead of the 1.5-inch ball. So here I have plate with the 1-inch B-size ball. This is the 1.5-inch C-size ball. This is the RAM-B-111B. It's the same plate. It measures 6.25 inches by 2 inches. It has all of the same hole patterns, but it's just designed to accommodate less weight. But both of these plates are going to function in the same way, where you can take whatever base you are going to be using. This is a round plate with some pre-drilled holes. You would ordinarily just bolt this down to a flat surface. You can get an arm onto your base, and then you can take the ball on the bottom of your plate and get that into the open socket. From here, you can make adjustments to it, just the plate, or you can adjust the entire mount. When you're happy with the positioning, all you need to do is tighten up the knob on the side of the arm and you're all set to go. So that is a quick look at the RAM mounts Universal Electronics plate with 1.5-inch ball. This is the RAM-111B.